Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Welcome to this guide on cooking perfect chicken breast. First, let's talk preparation. It's crucial to pat your chicken breasts completely dry with paper towels. This helps achieve a beautiful sear and prevents steaming. Next, take a moment to trim any excess fat or connective tissue. Finally, season your chicken generously on all sides with about 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and any other spices you love. This foundational step sets the stage for a flavorful meal. There are several fantastic ways to cook chicken breast, each offering unique benefits. Pan-searing, for example, involves cooking the chicken in a hot skillet, typically for about 5 to 7 minutes per side, resulting in a golden brown crust and a wonderfully juicy interior. Baking is a more hands-off method, often done at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 30 minutes, yielding tender, evenly cooked chicken. Grilling provides a delightful smoky flavor and those appealing char marks. The key to perfectly cooked chicken breast is reaching the correct internal temperature without overcooking. Always aim for 165 degrees Fahrenheit. To ensure accuracy, insert a meat thermometer into the thickest part of the breast, avoiding the bone. Cooking beyond this temperature, even by a few degrees, can quickly lead to dry, tough, and unappetizing chicken. Monitoring the temperature closely is your best defense against a disappointing meal. Once your chicken breast is cooked, the final, crucial step is to let it rest. Transfer the chicken to a cutting board and allow it to sit for 5 to 10 minutes. This resting period is vital because it allows the internal juices, which have migrated to the center during cooking, to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring every bite is incredibly tender and moist. Finally, slice your chicken against the grain for the most enjoyable texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.